All right, guys, we're at Hamilton Lift Bridge here at the pier in between Burlington and Hamilton. And it's a beautiful day for a bike ride here in the beginning of April. You see the lift bridge there, eh? Macy's going to check it out. He's going for one of those geocaches. I'm coming. Yeah, it's been an amazing bike ride so far, guys. I'll take a little video on the way back too of the Burlington Pier. But it's gorgeous out here. Lake Ontario. I don't know, we'll check it out, bud. Here we are on the other side of the lift bridge, guys. There's the pier where we just were. And we're here, this is the big skyway to Niagara. Like the big skyway to Hamilton, Niagara. And look, there's like about a gazillion seagulls over here.
One time I got to bring my
Mace found this spot. I just followed him down here. This is pretty sweet, guys.
You see that little island of rocks there?
Yeah.
There's geocache there as
Look
well.
at the mall, eh? Look, there's the big factory across. This is in Hamilton now. There's a huge pier. This is where the big oil tankers come in and out. You see them when they open the big lift bridge. It's pretty cool. Big pontoon boat. A couple nice big boats.
The pro geocachers do that.
Is that what the pros do? Look, we're at Seagull City.
Get the geocache.
He wants to go over here. Yeah, right. You can't, I'm not telling you. He's not
Right
going
there.
over there.
Come on. Come on, Dad. It'd be fine. It'd be fine.
We'll see in the summer, bud, when it gets a little warmer.
Now, why would you think I'm saying now? It's summer, of course.
Look at all the seagulls. I tried scaring them, but they didn't budge. This is insane. This is like where all the seagulls live in the world. I don't know if I've ever seen so many seagulls. Hey, bud? You ready to keep going?
God, I'm so tempted to jump over here and just get that.
No. Here we are on the other side of the lift bridge, guys. And this is kind of like leading towards Hamilton, going this way. And Mason's ready to go, and there's a fish and chip stop up there. I don't know if they're there. Maybe they have.
Yeah.
We'll peek in and see if they have ice cream or something. And here's the beach. Lots of parties in the summer. Can't wait. It's coming.
This is a really nice outing, Dad. Hell yeah.
Yeah, this is, bud. We're on a good adventure today, aren't we? All right, guys. Yeah, we made it to Hutch's. There's the boardwalk bike path along the beach.
It's been a while since I've been to Hutch's.
Yeah, we haven't been here in a long time. Great place to come when it's summertime for some ice cream.